The Anderson's 712 Innova Premium Organic Fertilizer. This kind of Anderson's organic fertilizer is made entirely of plant matter, with no animal parts, composted waste, biosolids, or manure. It's a soybean-specific solution that includes all of the essential vitamins and nutrients that your plants need to grow, such as nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Innova fertilizer furthermore contains a significant level of amino acids and even a long-acting nitrogen source, which promotes healthy soils by providing support to beneficial bacteria. The ratio of carbon to nitrogen, i.e., 6:1, in your lawn, offers the ideal environment for these bacteria and rich soil. One of the most appealing features of this medication is that it is both safe and easy to use. Traditional methods make adding the homogeneous, low-dust granules make the application process simple. It's good for kids and pets, along with rivers, marshes, and other eco-friendly bodies of water. This 40-pound bag flies down the fairway. To keep your lawn alive, you'll need anywhere from 3.5 to 11 pounds of Innova per 1,000 square feet. In preparing the seedbed for effective achievement, use 20 pounds per 1,000 square feet for a new turf. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.